Hey Vision Chasers, it's Dr. Bird here, continuing the series based on my book. And I have a question for you. What are you doing the last 5 to 7 minutes before class ends? Are you on your phone? Are you talking with friends? Are you standing by the door on your phone talking with friends? Well, here's the deal. In my book, I give you some other things that you could be doing instead of doing those things that last 5 to 7 minutes in class. Because the school day is, or in my opinion, this is just my opinion, I think school day is too long. I think we have way too much time, and when you have way too much of something, inevitably it's going to be wasted, okay? So again, that's just my opinion. Don't expect your school day to be shorter anytime soon, because that's my opinion. But what I do believe is that we could use the time more effectively. And you can use the time that you have more effectively by doing some different things during that last 5 to 7 minutes of each of your classes. Now, I'm not saying you can't visit with your friends, that you can't have fun, but if you want to do better, if you don't like the results that you're getting, then you have to be willing to try different things in order to get the results that you want. If you're earning a D in the class, no, let's say you're earning an F in the class and you want things to get better, you have to be willing to do whatever it takes in order to get the results that you're looking for. And so it's, it's your decision, but it would be a bad decision to continue to use that 5 to 7 minutes to do other things when you know you're earning an F. There are better decisions that you can make, and success is about making one good decision followed by another good decision, followed by another good decision, followed by another good decision. That's what success is all about. It's not about being smart. It's about making good decisions. So in this book, I offer a number of things that you can do during that last 5 to 7 minutes of class. But one of the things I talk about doing is just simply reviewing the objective. Every time you walk into a classroom, there's a purpose. There's a purpose for having that class. It's not because, well, I have to come to school, I'm here, whatever. Your teacher has an objective for you. Mastering that objective equals success for the day. If you have mastered that objective or question or whatever your teacher likes to use, if you've mastered it, then you've got it. That's success for the day. So what you can do during that time is review what you learned in class, review that objective, make sure that you fully 100% understand. And if you don't, that's a perfect time to go talk to your teacher, because everyone else is waiting by the door on their phone or talking to friends. So that's a perfect time. You have an opportunity to have a one-on-one conversation with your teacher about the information. And your teacher is obviously a valuable resource, and to be able to have that one-on-one time with your teacher, that's very valuable. That's special. That's worth a whole lot. And if you're taking advantage of that time and you're doing that, what you're going to find is you're going to need less time to study on your own, because if you catch it the first time it's taught to you, then most likely you got it. And so it won't take as much review for it to come back into your memory, and then you can rock out on the test. So that's how it works. So think about that. And if you want to follow along with this series, the next video in this series, all you have to do is click right here, and that'll take you to the playlist of the series based on this book. If you want to get your copy of this book, just look in the comments section below and you'll find a link there. If you have any questions or other comments, just again, leave those in the comments section as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, please keep chasing the vision. Bye.